All right, so I have 5 bags. What colors did I do this in before? Okay, blue and then pink. So I have 5 bags. The first bag has 23 Jolly Ranchers, the second has 24, the third has 15, the fourth has 14, the last bag is 19. What is the average number of Jolly Ranchers per bag? So the first bag has 23. The second one has 24. The third has 15. The fourth has 14. And the last bag has 19. Now I'm going to combine these bad boys together because I want to share them equally, right, amongst all the bags. So remember, I'm looking for the average. I'm looking for the mean number of candies per bag. So I first need to add them together to figure out how many total ones I have. And I'm trying to replicate these colors. So 40 and then purple and then orange. So, okay, green, purple, orange. So I need to add these. 23 plus 24 plus 15 plus 14 plus 19. So we have a total of 81. It looks like 81. Let me see. 23 plus 24 plus 15 plus 14 plus 19 equals 95. Okay, that was weird. Okay, that a lot better. Well, this is correct. So I have 95 total Jolly Ranchers. I'm going to split them up equal. If I were to split them up equally. Then each bag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I were to split them up equally, how much would each bag have? Divided by 5. Each bag would have 19. So the mean or the average number of Jolly Ranchers per bag, remember we're talking about bags of Jolly Ranchers, is 19. In other words, if each bag had the same amount of, we'll just say candy. No, I'll put Jolly Ranchers. I think that's capital, actually. My bad, little Jolly Rancher. If each bag had the same amount of Jolly Ranchers, then each bag would have 19 Jolly Ranchers. Oh, I did it again. All right, so if John is bringing another bag. If John brings another bag, then how many Jolly Ranchers would need to be inside of the bag in order for the average? So we want the average number of Jolly Ranchers to increase to 23 per bag. So let's go ahead and write this orange. So right now each one has 19. 2, 3, 4, 5. And we want to increase to 23 per bag. Oh, let's not forget about John. Did I put... Yeah. Let's not forget about John. John's coming to sit down in the group. Or he brings another bag. This is John's bag. John's bag. Okay. So each of these, remember, we're trying to increase the average to 23. So John, his bag needs to have 4 for each of these bags. Like 4 more so that these bags can all get to 23, because that's our goal. The question is, how much would John have to bring then? So he had to bring 4 and 4 and 4 and 4 and 4. He would also have to bring his 23, right? He would have to bring 23. me see how I put it up here. Okay, cool. So John would have to bring 23. But he would also have to bring 4 for each bag. So he'd have to bring 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 23. So 23 plus 20 is 43. He'd have to bring 23 Jolly Ranchers. So if they divided them equally, each one would have 19. We want that to increase to 23. So John needs to bring 4 for each person. For each bag, I mean. John needs to bring 4 for each bag. And needs to bring 23 for the extra bag that he's bringing along. Okay. So if John brings another bag, then how many Jolly Ranchers? Okay, so let's start from 19 again. 19, 19, 19, 19, 19. We're checking something real fast. Okay, cool. I accidentally made this one yellow for some reason. So these are the bags, right? John comes along and has a bag. So he wants the average to decrease to 17. So he needs to take away 2 from each one, right? Ooh, forgot to do John's bag. John's bag. So John needs to take 2 away from each of these bags. That way, they could each be at 17. Okay, so that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means there's an extra 10. So John's bag already has 10. Like, it was empty, but it was empty, but then John took 2 candies from each bag and put it right here. Right? So took 2 from this bag, 2, 2, 2, 2. So John's bag already has 10 without him having to bring any more in the bag. But in order to get to 17, he actually needs to bring 7 so he can get to 17. So there were 10 extra, so he only needed to bring 7. That way he'd get to 17. So John needs to bring 7 Jolly Ranchers. And that's it. Thank you.